little after 7, which means it's officially been over 24 hours of traveling. I'm walking down the street that my hostel's on. We'll see how it goes. I treated myself to sleeping in on day number 1. I'm ready to go for the next 10 days, so here we go. Currently on the city walls of Old Town Dubrovnik. Got the harbor to the right, town to the left. Cool church thing, cool mountainside. This architecture is just so cool. Never in my life have I had so many pastries. This is probably punishment for being what I like to call frugal, what my sister calls cheap. I could have... Oh, spiderweb. I could have taken a cable car to the top, but it was about $25–30. This would be a fun nature hike, but I was not mentally prepared for switchbacks. And excuse me while I go beneath the tree. You didn't see that. Part of why I love nature so much is because you get to see some of those beautiful things and it costs nothing. I just paid €8 to hike this fortress wall up to the top of the mountain. Didn't want to pay for it, but I did. YOLO. Gotta splurge. Look. How pretty is that? It is toasty. And now by choosing to go up to the top with 40 minutes left until my bus to leave the country means I have to run down. Probably shouldn't film while doing this, but oh well, makes it more exciting. I swear, I think there's more stairs in Croatia than anywhere else in the world. the weather for my island adventure. Oh, big puddle. And of course, bakery for breakfast. I came to this island with no plan. I figured I'd wing it when I got here. I have 9 hours. I have no idea what to do. All these towns start to look the same. The sun has come out, yes! The people that I came here with for my hostel. I realized I was getting distracted with the conversations and being more engaged in that than just enjoying the views that are around me. I'm actually sadly disappointed in this place. It's very touristy, it's very scenic and beautiful, but it's not the nature that I thought it would be. I find exactly. See our destination. So we're walking along a mountain ridge, and over there is Croatia, and over there is Bosnia.
I feel like being in your video with a burqa head covering thing is quite weird.
I a really awkward start. Oh my god, I wouldn't give a start.
This is awesome. We came from that city down there. We have to walk all the way back. But it was worth it. It's 6 a.m. and I'm leaving Croatia to go to Zagreb. And this is the one time I'm not running to catch a bus. So I made it to Zagreb. It's like 9:30 in the morning. I'm here for the day. I'm catching an overnight bus to Munich tonight to be able to catch my flight back to the States. And then I've got about 14-15 hours of flying plus airport time tomorrow. So, looking forward to it. This is my last full day in Croatia. Kind of sad it's getting close to the end, but also looking forward to not having to get up and leave every 2 days to a new place. I just stumbled across these tunnels. I have no idea where they go. 141 years.
The church has changed its look many times through history out of many different reasons.
Just got off my overnight bus. It's 6 a.m. This is fun.